American aircraft carriers cost billions of dollars to build. They are some of the most expensive war machines on Earth. But Iran just proved you don't always need billions. Iran has revealed something surprising. A drone carrier created not from scratch, but by converting an old oil tanker into a floating military base. Yes, Iran took a commercial ship, an aging civilian tanker, and transformed it into a drone launching platform. Instead of building massive carriers like the United States, Iran is using a cheaper and faster strategy: convert existing ships into drone carriers. On the before side, we see a simple oil tanker, but on the after side, the ship now includes a flight deck for drone takeoff, storage hangars for UAVs, a command and control center, armed drones ready for surveillance and strikes. This gives Iran the ability to launch drones directly from the sea, extending its reach across the Persian Gulf. So the big question is this Iran's new naval revolution, or a warning message to its rivals? Comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more military analysis.